Welcome to an overview of the Using Sources tool from the National Writing Project College, Career, and Community Writers Program. Before looking at the Using Sources tool, it's helpful to know its role in the C3WP. The Using Sources tool is part of the formative assessment as found in the C3WP design principles, working together with professional development and instructional resources to improve source-based argument writing. As teachers support students in improving the quality of argument writing, they need a way to look closely at what students are doing as writers of argument and how teachers can best move student writing forward. The Using Sources tool is used by teachers in the middle of a cycle of writing instruction to provide a focused look at how an argument is formed when using sources. Maybe the best way to understand the UST is to see it. The tool itself is 8 questions in an online format so teachers can gather and use the data to personalize student learning. Questions 1 through 3 center a teacher's attention on the foundations of argument writing, stating a claim, and using sources as support. You might notice that the score points, developing, competently, and effectively, are designed to focus on what the student writing is doing, shifting the role of assessment from evaluation to a progression of learning. Questions 4 through 6 direct the reader to the intellectual moves of argument, how students use what they read to support claims. This focus on sources is a key shift in reimagining the role of assessment in learning. Rather than trying to evaluate and measure everything in a piece of writing, this set of questions concentrates on the difficult but crucial thinking skill of using sources in argument writing. Question 7 specifically focuses on the use of Harris moves within argument writing. The UST ends with the best part, a text box. Here, teachers look toward instruction as they identify next steps for each student. As a result, assessment data becomes personalized, allows for instructional planning, and creates opportunities for intentional conversations and collaboration around teaching. Once again, the focus is on growth, teaching, and learning. After submitting scores, teachers are able to review results with reports. These reports, like this one from question 1, show what students already do well. But they also show areas of growth, such as this report from question 4. These reports, along with lists of next steps, such as these, open collaborative discussion around the next C3WP instructional resource. In the end, the UST, used in conjunction with the C3WP instructional resources and professional development, support student argument writing.